Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Let's Shine. We have already started tissues and today our topic is muscular tissue. Now muscular tissue. The cells of this tissue are responsible for the movement in our body. हमारी body में जितनी भी movements होती हैं, they are done by muscular tissue. Now cells of this tissue are elongated and are known as muscle fibers. जो मस्कुलर टिश्यू के सेल्स होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं मसल फाइबर्स और उनमें एक स्पेशलाइज्ड प्रोटीन होती है वी कॉल इट कंट्रैक्टाइल प्रोटीन and that protein is responsible for the movement for the contraction and relaxation of these muscle fibers. Now types of muscular tissue, there are three types of muscular tissue: striated muscular tissue, unstriated muscular tissue, and next is cardiac muscular tissue. First we will study about striated. Now striated are stripped skeletal voluntary muscle fibers. Now this type of tissue, it has dark and light bands. See here, dark and light bands are present. That's why this tissue is known as striated or stripped. Now this tissue is also known as skeletal tissue. Why? Because this tissue is present along with bones. This tissue is attached to the bones and help in the movement. That's why this tissue is known as skeletal tissue. Now it is also known as voluntary muscle fibers. Why these are known as voluntary muscle fibers? Because these tissues, these are present in bone along with bones and help in the movement, and we can move these bones of arms and legs and face, tongue with our choice. That's why they are known as voluntary muscle fibers. These movements are under our control. Now, cells are elongated, unbranched, and multinucleated. And these are present in bundles. These are present in bundles. Now, unstriated or non-striated involuntary muscle fibers. Now, cells of this tissue are elongated, spindle shaped. They have pointed ends and they are यूनिन्यूक्लिएट. इनमें एक न्यूक्लियस ही प्रेजेंट होता है हर मसल फाइबर में. ओके, एंड दीज आर प्रेजेंट एज शीट्स. Now these are known as involuntary muscle fibers. First, these are known as unstriated or non-striated because striations are absent. जैसे हमने पहले किया striated tissue में there were dark and light bands, but there is no dark or light band, there is no striation. That's why they are known as unstriated or non-striated. Now these are also known as involuntary muscle fibers because these are present at the places where the movement is involuntary, that is not under our control. These are present in the stomach, wall of stomach. These are present in the alimentary canal, the wall of alimentary canal, where we have done there is a peristaltic movement, and with the peristaltic movement the food moves down in the alimentary canal, and these type of muscles are present there. The actions are not under our control, they are involuntary muscles. Now they are also present in the iris of eyes, they are also present in ureter, and their movement is not under our control, and they are present as a sheets. Now next is cardiac muscle fibers. Cardiac muscle fibers, they are present along the wall of the heart and they are responsible for the fast, quick and the rhythmic movement of the muscles of the heart. Now their structure is between striated and unstriated fibers. They have bands but they are of faint color. Okay, they are branched and they are uninucleate. Now, these are present along the walls of the heart and they are responsible for the rhythmic movement in the heart. Okay, they move quickly and rhythmically and they do not get fatigue. But in case of striated muscle fibers, they can contract quickly but for not for long time because they get tired. And in case of Striated muscle fibers, they contract slowly, but they do not get fatigued. And cardiac muscle fibers, they contract rhythmically, but they do not get fatigued. Now we will do nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, it consists of cells. These cells are specialized. The cells of this tissue are highly specialized for being stimulated and transmitting the stimulus very rapidly from one place to another within the body. ये cells क्या करते हैं? एक तो ये stimulate हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, और स्टिमुलेशन को ये ट्रांसमिट करते हैं बहुत रैपिडली, बहुत फास्टली फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. स्टिमुलेशन मीन्स जो बाहर रिएक्शंस हो रही है बॉडी के, उसको फटाफट ये फील कर लेते हैं और ये मैसेज बॉडी के जिस पार्ट तक पहुंचाना होता है बहुत रैपिडली, फास्टली ये पहुंचा देते हैं. देन वी टेक एक्शन. ओके, सो इट कंट्रोल्स ऑल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द बॉडी. जितनी भी बॉडी में एक्टिविटीज होती हैं, दे आर अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ nervous tissue. Next, this nervous tissue is present in brain. ब्रेन को ही मैसेज आता है, ब्रेन से ही मैसेज आता है जहाँ पे वर्क होना होता है, जहाँ पे फंक्शन होना होता है, ठीक है. नर्वस टिश्यू इज प्रेजेंट इन ब्रेन, इन स्पाइनल कार्ड. ये स्पाइनल कार्ड आ रही है ब्रेन से. दिस टिश्यू इज प्रेजेंट इन ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कार्ड and in nerves. Nerves are present all over the body, and so this tissue is present in brain, spinal cord, and all these nerves. Next is nerve cell or neurons. These nerve cells, these cells of nervous tissue are known as nerve cell or neurons. इनको neurons भी बोलते हैं. Now, what are nerves? These nerve cells, they constitute nerves. Okay, nerve function क्या है इनका? ये stimulate हो जाते हैं, then transmit करते हैं stimulation from one part to the another part of the body, control all the activities of the body. Now the structure of nerve cell or neuron, it consists of mainly three parts. This is cyton or cell body. इसको cell body भी बोलते हैं और cyton भी बोलते हैं. Axon and dendrites. Now cyton, it is the cell body. It is the star-shaped structure. It is known as cyton. Nucleus is present in it. Now this structure is produced from the cyton, this fiber. It is known as axon. This part is known as axon. Now these small branches are obtained from this cyton. यहाँ से ये निकल रही हैं branches cyton से. Look at the diagram. These are known as dendrites. Now होता क्या है? These dendrites, they get message or transmission or any impulse from other nerve and they bring it towards the cyton or the cell body. Now this is again transmitted through this part. This is known as axon or fiber, and this message is transmitted to the muscles or the other nerve cell. Now thank you for watching my channel. Like and subscribe it.